In a safe little cave, a scared little elephant named Tembo will live. Tembo will be scared of many things: loud noises, high places, butterflies, and even his own shadow. One early morning, a fire will start because someone will not have put out their campfire properly. How dangerous! The fire will spread quickly and scare all the animals. Zara will be very curious. She will go to look at the fire, but will get trapped by the flames. She will not be able to escape. How dangerous! Tembo will see the fire from far away. He will feel very scared. He will be extremely afraid of fire. Then he will hear Mazu shouting, "Tembo! Zora needs our help!" Tembo will start to cry. "I'm not brave enough. I'm too scared." That's when Mazu will remind him that it's okay to be scared. Being brave doesn't mean that you are not afraid. Mazu will say, it means that you act even though you are afraid. Then Tembo will remember that elephants can suck up a lot of water with their trunks. Tembo will run to the river, will fill his trunk with water, and will rush to help Zara. He will spray the water over the fire, and the flames will disappear. Zara will be safe. Later, as the sun will begin to set, it will start raining. And all the other animals will be safe. Thank goodness. That day, Tembo will learn a very important lesson. Being brave doesn't mean that you are not afraid. It means that you act even though you are afraid. To watch more stories, just visit our YouTube channel. All stories are in the present, past and future tenses, also available in various languages. How great! Also, members of the Abuti Academy get access to workbooks and much more. Visit our website to find out more about all the language learning materials that we have to offer. www.abutisyllabus.com